Alrighty, YouTubers, back again. Just got another shipment in from FedEx this time. They are not happy to see me this week. But we have an unboxing to do for my good friends over at BenQ on Amazon Prime. Check them out. I hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. It is Tuesday. Terrible Tuesday. But here we go. Nice size box. Raise you guys up a little. And all that good stuff. Let's see what they have to offer. My scissors are in the other room, so got the old screwdriver. Today, got through. Gotta go one more side to do. And we'll get it done. Always take advantage of the Amazon Prime fast shipping. Get this shipped in no time. Here we go. Nothing. Alright. What do we have? Oh. What is this? Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. Good stuff right here. This is a BenQ ScreenBar e-reading lamp. Oh, this is cool. Look at this thing. If you guys can see, back you guys up a little bit. Boom. Connects to your monitor. Plug it in and boom. Alright, let's check it out. I'm going to do a hookup too. Definitely curious to see how this looks. Put you guys down. Here we go. Nice and easy. Alright, let's see. Maybe both sides. Boom. Alright, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, shoot. Maybe not that easy. Alright, hold on one sec. Well, that didn't work too well. There we go. Alright. Bada boom. Ooh. BenQ, check them out. We got the bar right here. That's nice. Really nice. Alright, let's see what else we have. The mounting bracket. Oh man. Oh, it's pretty heavy. Magnetic. Hey. Oh, it rolls. Kinda. One of those types. We got the USB, I do believe. Yep. Rip it open, rip it open. Nice. Alright. Boom. Tiny little guy. There it goes. USB right there. What else am I missing? Anything else? Empty box. Alright, let's see how this is set up. Definitely curious. Looks really cool. Something new. For us vloggers out there, gamers would be good. E-readers. Read your books online with this nice little lamp. Plug it in. Boom. Maybe not like that. Let's see. Let's see what I gotta take off here. Oh, maybe I should have slid it through. Okay. Ah, look at that. There we go. Let it be free. Free. There we go. Nice. Okay. I'll redo this. Oops. Maybe I should take this off. Oh, yeah. Dang. Does look like a camera. Alright. No, that can't be right. Oh, shoot. Aha. This way. Boom. Okay. I got that part. Now we plug in the USB. Like this. Come on. Can't believe I can't get this in there. Get in the hole. Can't even see what I'm doing. Heck. There it goes, finally. I did it. Go something like this, I know. Gotta be like this. I think. But I'm gonna plug it in. 1 sec. Hold on. Yeah, boy, oh boy, it should be interesting. I think I have it backwards. Maybe I'll readjust it. I'm gonna put you guys on pause. Sorry about that. Oh wow, look at this, YouTubers. I got it hooked up. It's really nice up there. Simple to do. And there's the levels. I don't know if you guys can see. I got this other lamp. My screen's a little dusty. But there's a temperature, power on and off. Let's see what we can do. Alright, let's see. Oh, it is different. Oh, it's touch. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. Boom. I don't know if you guys could tell there's a different glow to it. Wow, I'm really impressed. This is cool. Dim it. Off, on. Touch sensitive. But easy to hook up. That roll-on disconnects right there. And then pretty simple to snap it on. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it again. But right there. Snap it on USB through the loop. Make sure it is. There's the settings. Wow. Pretty impressive. And YouTubers, you guys could get one at low cost. Check them out. And then you guys get it fast shipping through Amazon Prime. And that's BenQ sensor bar, light bar. Oh, that's a different range. Band. There's power off. Power on. Awesome stuff right here. Alright, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Have a good day, and see you guys back tomorrow. See ya.